Hey guys, Delta. I got the 034 Stage One tune today. Thanks to Josh for helping me out with the cable and loading that into my car for me. And I haven't done much with it yet. Just kind of drove around a little bit, and I can hear definitely a lot more supercharger whine. Just regular driving, actually. Just going through stop signs and accelerating, and I can just hear the supercharger seems to be building more boost. And my second fan is running. I've never heard it. It's loud. It actually rarely ever runs, and the engine is cooling down faster. I was just under the hood after about a 20-minute drive, and usually I wouldn't be able to touch my charge pipe or anything like that, but it's actually quite cool. Surprising. It's that fan is actually really good. I can feel the air blowing out of the engine bay too while I was looking in there. So we're gonna do a launch here in a second. This is kind of where I usually do my launches, and unfortunately the golf course is open now, so there's definitely more people there. Not too much traffic. I should be able to get a launch, no problem. I don't know if I will be able to, actually. No, it's not revving up for a launch, unfortunately. Someone just showed up. It definitely feels much faster. Just ignore whatever time's coming up on my 0 to 60. That's not because I started off slow. That's not going to be very accurate. Yeah, unfortunately, a van pulled in there, and wasn't a good time. And I couldn't seem to get the launch control to rev up. So I'm not really sure what the problem is. I love that my AC automatically shuts off when I hit that kickdown button. That is fantastic. I'm still getting a bit of noise from my sway bar. I just installed the 034 Motorsports sway bar 2 days ago. It was a bit difficult for me. I don't have a lot of experience doing mechanical work. It does seem a bit noisy back there. It feels tight. I really like it. But yeah, I'm definitely hearing a bit of rattle over these bumps. That wasn't there before, but I mean, everything is tighter back there, so it just may be a reality that I have to deal with. I'll get back there, get under there, and take a look and check for, make sure the bolts are tightened. You know what I also just realized? This golf course is on both sides of this road, and these guys are mowing and shit, and it looks like they're crossing at this location. So I need to get past here for my launch. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around, spin around, get prepared. I'm gonna try it again. It doesn't seem to be revving up. It is in launch mode because it's not putting any pressure on the brake system, and I can feel that right away. So it's just a matter of maybe waiting a day or two. And I didn't get the TCU tune or the DSG tune. I'm not sure. A lot of people call it a different thing. So I just have the engine tune. So yeah, we're all set for launch control. Now if we just stop right here. Let's see if we can get the wasn't, I don't know, maybe there's a default on the tune that drops the revs. I'm not sure. I'm just speculating. 5.4, I got that last weekend. That was my best 0 to 60 last weekend. I don't know how accurate this thing is, but I really did expect a little more off that Stage One. But like I said, the revs maybe aren't hitting the sweet spot there, so my 0 to 60 times will be off. Okay, there's way more traffic here than usual. The car's handling better. I've done those curves quite a bit, and that sway bar is definitely doing its job, and you can really feel it. Everything just feels tighter, and I love how the front end is loose still. I think that just feels great, just diving into turns, into corners and stuff like that. Front end's nice and loose, gets in there, and just feels like so, like on rails, like just so much better. So, you know, maybe it'll take a little while before I feel some more results with the tune. I guess the ECU will have to do some learning, and I'm happy about the fan kicking on a lot more, because honestly I don't think I ever heard that fan kick on, and now it's kicking on, and that's great because it's just creating such a cooler environment in my engine. So even that's a plus. But yeah, for the most part things feel pretty stock here. Yeah, I'm definitely able to rev higher. I'm definitely getting way more power up in the higher bands here. So yeah, I figured out launch control. You just got to mess with the tree. Launch control was turned off when your cruise control is turned off, and that's when it activates the fans and things like that. So I'm going to put my cruise control active, and yeah, it was pretty interesting looking at the different settings and how to set that up. I'm not on the greatest road for this. This is a pretty busy place, but we'll just do a small launch here. We're set at 3,200. Oh, yes. Yeah, there we go, boys. 4.7. Fuck, that felt fast. That was nice. That is pretty good, I gotta say. That's, wow, 0.7 of a second faster. I'm pretty happy with that. Oh, that launch is good. Okay, we'll definitely be in the 12s, I think, when we go back to the track. Unfortunately, that's not for another 10 days or so, 10, 11 days. So July 2nd. We'll get up to the track and get some times. That one felt really good. Okay, now I'm pretty happy. Okay, I'll get this video up. I don't think I'll get it up today. I'll have to do it when I get home tonight. Oh, God. So there was, yeah, like a few, I was really underwhelmed here in the last hour driving around, but that was a fantastic launch. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, we'll check you guys later. Delta.